Hey, Dylan with Property Doc. I'm out on a new construction house today doing a pre-closing inspection. And my question for you is, can you see the problem?
This is in the master bathroom. And there's a problem right there. Yeah, I can't see it either. Put the thermal camera on this issue and we got a lot of cold area there. Looks a lot like water. Just to double confirm, I'll use a moisture meter. Oh yeah. That is quite wet. So I'm still in the same house, but this is a different spot on the other side of the house here, right at the carpet. Looks pretty wet. And what we'll do to try to confirm this one is find the carpet tack and see if that wood strip is wet. The tack strip here. Yep. Definitely got some water leaks.